Tayo ngayon, ang ating ingredients for today is 2 1/3 cup ng flour, 1 cup ng white sugar, half cup ng brown sugar, 1 cup ng cocoa powder, 4 na egg, 3/4 cups ng oil, 2 teaspoon ng salt, 2 teaspoon ng vanilla, and 2 teaspoon ng baking powder. Siyempre, ang icing natin mamaya gagamitin natin. So, ang kasama natin ngayon, ang ating little helper na si Pau Pau. Say hi!
Hi!
Ang unang nilagay is yung brown sugar and white sugar. Ngayon, isasama natin yung oil, yung ating cocoa powder. Then, we're just gonna mix it. Yan.
I help you, Mom.
Oh, multi-mix first. Oh, what are you making? Crinkles.
Crinkles.
Chocolate crinkles.
Crinkles.
Yeah, so we're making today is chocolate
Oh,
crinkles.
you mix properly. Oh, Mommy do it first and then you later, okay?
Wow. Sorry, Mom. Make sorry.
Oh, you mix it. Oh,
Swirl.
you mix.
Always swirl.
Oh, you hold the bowl. Oh, mix. Mix properly. Now we put in, what's this?
So, now we're just gonna put the 4 eggs. And then, we'll ask Pau Pau to mix again.
Mix properly. Let me help you.
Thank you. May ID. Maybe, Mom. Gimme. Gimme, Mom. Gimme.
You mix properly then.
Oh, let Mommy mix first.
Mommy first and then you, okay?
Yan. So, ngayon, isasama na natin yung vanilla.
Wait lang.
And sinama na ni Pau Pau ang baking powder. And isasama na rin natin ang salt.
What's that?
Salt.
Okay.
What's that again?
What did you put just now?
Salt.
Mix this first. And we put powder, flour.
We're just gonna put the flour. Mix it all together.
Mom.
And so, i-mix lang natin lahat ng ingredients.
It's gonna be a thick mixture. We now have chocolate crinkles.
Mom, gimme.
So you get the other one, this one.
This is mine.
Yeah. Gimme, borrow.
Gimme, Mom. Gimme.
Wait, let Mommy finish first.
Mommy first and then I'll give you later, okay?
Because it's hard.
See, it's very hard. It's very thick. So it's a thick mixture.
Yung ating mixture. Medyo thick yung mixture natin kasi maraming flour, maraming lots of dry ingredients. So pagkatapos natin itong i-mix, we have to put it in a freezer para tumigas siya. Para mas madali nating i-roll mamaya.
So if you're in a hurry, 2 to 3 hours will do. Pero pwede rin ang overnight freezing or chilling. Para mas madali siyang i-handle. Okay.
May one taste.
No, you cannot taste it yet. We have to bake it first later. Okay.
So, yan. You like chocolate?
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we will chill this now.
Say subscribe,
Just try.
like,
Why?
and share.
And share.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you to them.
Thank you, Dan.
Ayan.
Ayan. So, i-cover natin siya with a cling wrap. And then, we're gonna put it inside the refrigerator. Ayan yung consistency niya. Yummy. Mas yummy mamaya pag naluto na natin. So, it's gonna be chocolate crinkles cookie. Yung ating mixture. So, ngayon, lalagay na natin siya sa ref. Kahit sa chiller na lang siguro. Ayan. So we're gonna start molding our crinkles. Of course, we're gonna get a portion of this and then roll it here later. This is icing sugar. So depende na kung gaano kadami yung magagamitin nyo doon sa mixture na gamit natin. Okay? So, a spoonful of sugar, a spoonful of crinkles, of course. Yan. Lagay nyo lang ng oil yung kamay ninyo, then i-roll nyo lang na ganyan. Then, drop nyo lang dyan, tapos let it roll like that.
There, that's yours.
Then put it here. Then we're gonna put it on a baking tray with some parchment paper para hindi manikit. And then we'll just repeat the process until everything is like this. And then we'll start baking. Okay?
It's too sweet.
Yeah, because that's sugar.
Siya yung taga-mix namin ng sugar. You roll it on the sugar. Stop eating it.
And I will.
No. Oh, there. Just roll it there.
Put sugar.
Put sugar
Put sugar. You coat it with sugar like that.
Nice. Very good. Good job, Pao Pao. Oh, show them the crinkles. Yeah, you carry one. You carry one.
You take one and then
You show it to the camera.
show to the camera.
Where? That's the one.
Put it in the tray.
Very good. Good job. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera and say hi. Pao.
I put.
So ito na yung ating first batch. Nakagawa tayo ng 20. Meron pa tayong natira. So we're gonna put it back in the refrigerator para lumamig ulit siya. At medyo tumigas kasi pag hindi siya malamig, maninikit siya sa kamay nyo. So we're gonna put this in an oven, on a preheated oven at 180 degrees for at least 10 to 20 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes, mga ganun. Yan. So, lagay na natin siya sa oven. Again, bantayan ninyo kasi it depends dun sa heating element ng oven ninyo. Sa amin, mga roughly 10 to 12 minutes lang. So, yan. Yan, luto na siya. Nakita nyo naman, itsurang crinkles na perfect. So, ito yung ating kinalabasan na crinkles. Diba? Madali lang. Magandang pang-business. Mura yung puhunan. Malaki ang tubo. So, all-time favorite yan ng mga Pinoy. Chocolate Crinkles. Then we're gonna move it on a cooling tray para ma-stop yung cooking process natin. So we're just gonna slide it over to a cooking tray. So, yan siya. So hope you like it. You try it out, and then I hope you like it. And then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share and like. And please leave a comment kung kailangan nyo nung full na recipe. Or I'll just put it on the description para sa inyo lahat. There you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.